How to use Suno AI to turn your voice into a song. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Suno AI to transform your voice into a song. So if you wish to change your voice into a song, I've got you covered. You can go to the Google and search for Suno AI. There are various other websites that are also named as Suno AI, but you gotta search for suno.com, and once you search for that you will be redirected to an interface like this. So there are a couple of stuff you can do over here in Suno AI. You can create a song from your voice, like not only the song, you don't necessarily need to sing a song. You can just give them your voice, such as a sample voice, such as you're talking, and then this AI would generate a song. So all you have to do is just give them the lyrics and a proper, filtered voice, so that there is no background noise in that, so that AI can detect your voice and create a song for that. Or you can even ask the AI of Suno to create a song for you. You can just give them a topic or give them some keywords that the song should contain, and then the AI would generate lyrics for your song, and then it will automatically transform your voice into a song. Before we dive right in, you need to make sure that you're not using copyrighted lyrics, that you're not allowed to use any other artist contents and make them into a song of your own. If you do that, you can be sued by a copyright claim by the artist, and you can even get your account banned because Suno AI does not support copyrighted stuff. Okay, now let's get into it. And when you click on suno.com, you'll be redirected to the dashboard and interface of Suno AI. So here at the left side, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So what you're going to do is click on create over here. And when you click on create, you will be redirected to an interface where you can create a song using your voice. So here at the top left, you'll be able to see an option that says upload audio. So just click on upload audio, and you have to agree to the terms that make sure that you're not using any other person's voice illegally for any song, or using any actual singer's voice. So just click on agree terms, and then you can either drag and drop audio from your computer, or you can even select a file, and you can even record audio right now. So let me just record an audio real quick. So once you're done recording the audio, you can either play the audio by clicking over here and ensuring that the audio is real smooth and that it will be easy for the AI to detect your voice. And you can even cut the edges from by dragging these to the sides and make sure that there's not any additional noise. And then you can just click on save trimmed audio, and they'll just generate a cover photo for it. You can give it a title according to your own desire. You can just write down the song's name as a title, or you can even just give it any name that indicates what your song is about. And there is they generate an AI generated cover for your song. You can even upload an image from your own computer, and once you've written this title for it, let me write down cool breeze, and after that just click on confirm and save. It will take some time in order to save your just few nanoseconds, and then you can just listen from here, and then you can click on extend if you wish to change your voice into a song. So just click on extend, and you'll be able to see a couple of options over here. So this is lyrics, so you can either type down the lyrics you want the AI to generate into a song, or you can click on this AI over here and give any command to AI. So make sure that you're not using any other artist's work, because that is really unauthorized and that is illegal to do that, because they can sue you for that. Make sure that you are giving them the command to write down any song. Just provide them sample lyrics of your own. Don't use any other artist songs or anything, because they will not be able to generate any copyrighted stuff. They have the feature of not generating the copyrighted stuff. And then after that, they'll give you two options. One is at the left side, at the right side. You can just give both of them a read and just check which one matches your context or which one you like better. So you can just give it a read over here. So you can see this is a really short type of sentences. And here at the right side they're like a bit more detailed, and giving a song a really nice flow in depth. And you can just give it a read to both of these responses, and once you like the response, you can just click on accept the this option button at the bottom. So you can just give them read and select either one of these. You can just select one of them. So let me just select the right one, and after that you'll be able to see an option that says style of music at the bottom of the lyrics. So here you can either type down the style of music yourself, or you can just scroll down over here and select the style of music. Let me just write down this funk, and there are 200 letters limit and funk, and let us just click on let's click on jazz. And then there are numerous others. You can type them down by your own choice as well. And lofi, let's select lofi, and here you can give it another title. Let me just write down cool breeze extended. And after that, you're all set. You can just verify and then click on extend. It will take a couple of seconds in order to generate the output. So the thing about Suno AI is that they will generate two outputs. So whichever you like, you can keep that. So let us just listen to the first one, and then we can just listen to the second one.
The avenue, feeling fine. A cool breeze whispers your name and mine. City lights glimmer in the night. Everything feels just right. And down there echoes in the air so.
Okay, now let's listen to the second one. So just play it.
Feeling fine. The cool breeze whispers your name and mine. City lights glimmer in the night. Everything feels just right. The laughter echoes in the air so sweet. An endless summer at our feet.
So I think I like the second one better because it has more kind of my voice in it. So what you gotta do is just click on these three dots and then click on download if you wish to download it. And you can just, get the link only and make it public, and you can even add to playlist. You can create a playlist of your own, or you can even use any existing playlist. So that's it for today's video, and that was how you can use your voice to create a song on Suno AI. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.